Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're reviewing a wig bundle that combines both style and convenience. The Pinnacle Wig by Gabor, along with Christy's Wigs Q&A booklet, BeautiMark synthetic shampoo, and a wide-tooth comb. This set promises to be a complete solution for wig care and styling, so let's dive into the details and see if it lives up to the hype. The Pinnacle Wig by Gabor features a ready-to-wear sheer lace front for a natural-looking hairline, creating effortless styling versatility. The hand-knotted top provides parting options that mimic natural hair growth, which is a great feature for anyone looking for a more realistic appearance. The personal fit cap is another standout, using stretch material to mold to your head, offering comfort and a secure fit. If you've worn wigs before, you know how important a snug fit is for both comfort and confidence. The FlexLite synthetic hair fiber used in this wig is lightweight and fine, designed to replicate human hair. It's a thoughtful touch, especially for those who prefer a more natural look and feel. The velvet-lined comfort band and ear tabs ensure the wig stays securely in place, preventing slippage and reducing friction, something I personally appreciate during long days. The wig also includes ultra-thin adjusters at the nape for a more customized fit. Now, onto the real-world testing. Incorporating the Pinnacle Wig into my beauty routine was surprisingly easy. The lace front creates a seamless hairline, and the monofilament top gives me complete control over where I part my hair, which is crucial for those who want to switch up their look. It was comfortable to wear throughout the day, and I noticed that the wide velvet comfort band definitely helped prevent any discomfort or slippage. The synthetic hair felt incredibly soft and lightweight, which was a relief compared to some heavier wigs I've tried. In terms of styling, the versatility of the lace front and hand-knotted top made it easy to achieve different looks. Whether I wanted an off-the-face style or something more natural, the wig held its shape without needing constant adjustments. However, one downside I encountered is that the synthetic fibers don't quite hold up to extreme heat styling, so if you're looking for something you can curl or straighten, you might be disappointed. But for everyday wear, it does the job quite well. As for the additional items in the bundle, Christy's Wigs Q&A booklet provides helpful tips, especially for beginners who may not know where to start with wig care. The BeautiMark synthetic shampoo is a great addition for maintaining the longevity of the fibers, and the wide-tooth comb ensures that you can easily detangle without causing any damage. I would say these extras are definitely useful, but they don't add a huge amount of value unless you're new to wig care. Now let's break down the pros and cons. Pros: the sheer lace front creates a natural-looking hairline and offers off-the-face styling versatility. Lightweight, comfortable fit with the personal fit cap and velvet-lined comfort band. Hand-knotted top provides natural parting options. FlexLite synthetic fiber replicates human hair, offering a realistic look. The bundle includes useful extras like the Q&A booklet and shampoo, which are perfect for beginners. Cons: limited styling options with heat due to the synthetic material. The wig might not be suitable for those with larger head sizes, as it only comes in an average cap size. The synthetic hair may not be as durable as human hair wigs in the long run. When it comes to value for money, this bundle is fairly priced given the quality of the wig and the added extras. The wig itself, with its thoughtful construction and realistic features, is a solid investment for those who want a natural look without the high maintenance of human hair. The included Q&A booklet, shampoo, and comb are nice touches, but may not justify a higher price for those who already own similar tools. If you're looking for alternatives, there are other synthetic wigs in the same price range, but not many offer the same level of comfort and natural look that this one does. Some cheaper options might not have the same fit or realistic styling versatility, but they can still get the job done if you're on a budget. In terms of build quality, the Pinnacle Wig feels durable enough for regular use. The materials used are lightweight but sturdy, and I appreciate the comfort features, like the velvet-lined ear tabs and the ultra-thin adjusters. These thoughtful additions make the wig feel more like a premium product, even though it's synthetic. Now, as for customer support, I didn't personally need to reach out to Gabor, but their reputation for good customer service in the wig industry is well known. If any issues arise, it's likely you'll receive responsive support. So, does the Pinnacle Wig live up to its claims? Yes, for the most part. It's a solid choice for those looking for a natural-looking, comfortable, and easy-to-style wig. While it has its limitations in terms of heat styling, it makes up for it in its realistic appearance and comfort. If you're someone looking for a wig that's ready to wear with minimal fuss, this one's definitely worth considering. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching, and if you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts, whether it's about the wig itself or the bundle items. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.